It all comes together in this warm pitching ecosystem. Lots of people forget to pitch when they're busy, and I'm absolutely guilty of this. It doesn't feel right asking for work when our calendars are fully booked. It's like going out there and saying, oh yeah, do you want to hire me for this? Somebody says yes, and you're like, oh no, wait, actually, I don't actually have the space for it. It just feels a bit weird. But there does need to be some level of maintenance so that when you do need work, you can jump right back in and you have a pool of people to pitch to and you're not starting from scratch again. And this is where the warm pitching strategy starts to come together. And the actual pitching part you'll see here is just a small percentage of it, which I know is hard to believe because I've spent hours researching brands and crafting the perfect pitch. So for it to be like a tiny part of it feels, yeah. But I mean, hopefully that's a good thing. Hopefully that's a positive for you. It was for me when I realized that. The beauty of this framework is you have your templates ready to go and you've nurtured a pool of people. So pitching when you need to do it is quick and easy because you have everything to go. You can just be like, right, I've got one slot to fill, take this template, take this warm pitch, send it to them, done. So if we look at it in more detail here, what each section actually consists of. So a third of the time spent researching brands and people to start connecting with. So use the methods that we went through here to add brands and then find the people to your pitch list. Remember to find the people behind the brands. And then a third spent engaging and growing your network. So engaging in Slack channels, growing your name, making connections with pitchable prospects, getting to know other freelancers, just generally expanding your network and like putting yourself out there. And then a third is the actual pitching. So creating your templates, sending the pitches, and then following up. This is kind of what makes the ecosystem. And it all kind of works in tandem together. Quick one, don't forget to follow up. I like to call them reconnections. And like I said before, a lot of my work has come through follow-ups. People get busy, they miss your email. I've missed a ton of emails. Here is the script I use for that. Again, notice how short it is, really, really short, straight to the point. Hi client, prospect, whatever, hope you're good. Checking in to see if you need any extra hands on deck with the brand blog. Just remind them what it is that you're asking. I get emails that, follow-up emails that are like, just checking the above, or are you okay with the above? And I have to scroll back up to look at the above email. So in the follow-up, I always try and reiterate what it was that I was asking for them. So we're trying to make their lives as easy as possible, and ours, so there's not loads of back and forth. And show up too. So follow-ups are great, but prospects are more likely to remember you if you show up regularly in those Slack channels or LinkedIn or wherever you hang out. So if your name is regularly popping up, if you're regularly getting involved in discussions, building relationships, like having one-on-one conversations with people in the DMs, people are going to remember you, they're going to refer you, it's just going to be better. You're going to have a much bigger pool of people to pitch, to reach out to when you need work.